at an affordable price.
Maya kichiba sanguru kuchira mareta mange sana. Ekeboko, orwenyi, ambagomba. Tunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo. Wono chintunda chinyinge. Make use. Obuojo mutakeire. Skuru chegwiru abana mbatakeire bitabu. Mondongu bware chiribuga. Ikomi. Kila rituko mondongu bware 10,000. Na mwiso bwe week. 1200 ko pocket wese ko wali my friend ayenga yuko tikara okobwa na kwomogoko waye igwa ko genda sesimi yao yako genda say baby business number 888090 igori yoka wako na bagadai okubeka Eyemo yokai unokobeka chintunda chinyenge chance yao yobubwi igere iguru chintunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo wono chintunda chinyinge make use
egosoriye yokwebwere nenko nigo yanchire ni kiombe ya PCLB ni namba ya 002660 egosoriye ni yabantu bari myaka 13 guche igoro asegati yaito ntubwata abantu bali nobolema nabantabwa mbabwata magani yabo mbabwata ibyewa mbasomete naboigo mbatagitama baga asemirimo nakubwatisiwa asubugima bwokera lituko
inyora obolema igorobole inyora kerema nkerikosekwa inyora ekerema ngechiche
nakyoge kogera asumuruburyo bwobolema asubugima Jared Wilberforce niga gukoretera ensemo iliyotamanyiti igoro yabo
turabe tugwesemia kwemanyia na kwegokia ase amanganonsi pi ali arengete abantu baito abali nobolema ayekwarorire bagotenga
kera rituko ria Jumanne chinsa isano nemo chia mogaso no moiroro rituko ria Jumapili chinsa isato nenusu chia butuko oborema asubugima ime ya Ndizi TV.
Nore meire nechibesa choko gendereria na gukinia obonchorere bwao Musoni Microfinance ni gotoro asengencho yao gorwa tore chilon choko gendereria meroberio ao yo bonchoreria buna kugora chilori na boigo tractor choko kora obonchoreria ase chiskuru chiabanto nyene chirigetie kwegendereria gose kugora chibas chiskuru boigon gorwa tore chilon ase abaremi na bonchoreria ao
ngoro gukare ngoche Musoni yankonyire binte binge konyorande chibesa kurororo nagurire ng'ombe yane ndagira nagure obotu nabeke ebimeri ebibye sukuma spinach nabogorie bituma nabeke tinga yane nanyakoni bono ngwati baisanya biashara bami ninju Musoni mobogori chibesa mokorere biashara tiga guikaranza isipo ne chibesa chire Musoni
wane tokuba arigania se Musoni Microfinance onde bwese ogane chibesa chokore biashara ese biashara bya nirense nabagucha Musoni tomo konye go boost e biashara byaye
igotore meumo chiobo songo asama gacha umoja egorobe ntanga ni barabara ne benki ya cooperative usasa mange tonyoro wetera se namba enoti isano na ibere isato isano nemo isato isano nemo ibere Musoni
Microfinance ya masa
Obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo bagenderete kumochia serikali asogotaikrania amaganio y'abananchi askeria bagosereire bachikubarusi obisi onyatibali bachikoikrania onsi
na chinga kichibo igobono homurai wense William Samuel Ruto nigarokane kumushumurai wekiama kia ODM rera Morodinga asoko ndra kuroberia mangana yokorobekana aiga sense yake
mwanchi umurigeria inega tiari agenderete gokorekana ase chinsemo ao imese ya Kenya ekerotra chiego sangereria erio tokumanya senchira yo wikiranu
onse yakereri sokoria Jumatatu semanye Jumatatu ense Eyemo ya Margoba na boigo chinse isato chiamo
Nigora chikumirana na inche Evelyn Osero
amo na inche Vincent Onyancha ekerekito kubwatira nere Joshua Auta kuro somuno akwe
boigo tokubwatirana n'abasaki baito korwase chinsemo ao nigotra chigukumanya bunagenderete gwateka imeyense ya Kenya imeya emanye Jumatatu
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Magoro bengi ya umwanchi umurigeria anonsia soto bwatete kuri nabasemelia kwanu na kwabere kugutwara litkoreligia nebiro binde ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye nara yabereka gokorekana kora chingongo chansi inyechense asinse mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotanyora gwitra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News asense ya website na bagotanya wetra www.ndizitv.net tariane Fridah Kerubo na stinse mochibi orkreliani gotokubwatanere Joshua Auta chinga kitoro che kubwatikana nobo tukiwe kyombegia NCPD niko bakorokebne county ya Nyamira ngati ye county chiri chitangaine ase amarito gose ase abaiseke konyora amarito agenkyo naboigo bwinjira yamoyo kulinda ogonchereria kwelire nigobona abakenya baburiwe kugendera gusimika emete asomorobilio ogendete koragwa no murugi bwo murai wense Rachel Ruto naboigo engana hebili echibesa nigegendete koleta liberera ase ababunge bagendete kongusanana asoko enekebuna omukenya ngonyorale kelia aganite naboiga stinsemo chinde nigo omo MCA chirchir abagakubwatu kwa ase ebondi ye milioni Eyemo magayo kubekwa byara litkoligoro kubwatkana na mamocho ali mubwatiraniti ase ogosalia machine ase nsemeli ya kerja sense kayo basombi nigo omo waziri we sekte yo Kipchumba Murkomen aberega ko enikabana nigo baganiti bilioni 5 ase myaka 5 rubosyo nabwo ko enikebuna obwagachi bikibara gwekera na boli bwekera no mwancho muri atoskato nyegera kwera nanda sege kekerubosyo elinde ngomanye amange Hingo chaka Amayia yebirebiga mwanchi muliani ongo chakira county ya Nyamira asingo kumanyibuna kubwatkana nobotuki obwabeire bogo korekana nekyombegia NCPD nigo bokorokebuna county ya Nyamira ngati yechi county emerongebere echabere chikoro kya gotangana ase abanyaruka konyora amarito agengyo mu county commissioner Onesmus Kiatha nigo baba bakubwatirana n'ababwatani bande ase okoligia chinchera chigotanga amarito agenkyo ime county ya Nyamira muri kito job maangi nabakagotarira chinsemecho nabo yigotwaliganiria oroboti rokobwatia
Maiga yoko kina wekerengo kia marito agenkyo ase county Nyamira erega chichi county chitangaine ase goikera bono amarito agenkyo arase kerengo ge 15 nuguta isano.
Some of the countries were dropped and currently PMA is in 9 countries.
Kubwatekana n'obutuki bwa kortine kiumbe kia NCPB omwaka bw'ekiri 2023 nige sub county ya Burabu etangaine ekubwatigune sub county ya Manga, sub county ya Masaba North, Nyamira North, ase Nyamira South egosieki.
Which are allowed to be doing sex and they are doing protective sex. 19 Nyamira North, 2019 Manga. What is not happening? Unajua tutasema ilikuwa COVID, sio? Ama it was a period possible. Kwa hiyo kama kusema mtoto akikaa nyumbani lazima apate. 141 wamepewa mimba. Out of that wangapi watarudi shule?
Nigaba watani abakora ne kyombege kwegerera oboteni bwo kuibura International Center for Productive Health, National Council for Population and Development. Egetago kyobolendi bakora no County Commissioner we County Nyamira Onesmus Chata batwara egeikaro asumo bogani oyomo imie County Nyamira asibakwanira igoro echinchera chogokeya amalito agenkyo.
Going downwards, we are going what? Upwards. In terms of these very serious violations. And we need to look at ourselves and re-examine ourselves, all of us.
Omo County Commissioner we County Nyamira Onesmus Chata naichanira ekerengo ekenene kya malito agenkyo.
It is very sad for us in this 21st century we are still talking about these things. It is like we have lost direction. If somebody today can think about God and violate a young girl, a child, and they destroy our life, we need to seriously deal with these issues.
Esege tonjaru gucha sabara ibeti kanisa abagaka bekenyoro n'abantu bonsi gocha amo asogokeya amalito agenkyo.
We are supposed to ensure that we sensitize the entire community. Very important. Baga nyumba 10 huko kwa villages huko wakiongea wanaongea kwa sauti moja na kusema kwamba we have refused in the mirror, we don't want any more early pregnancies and teenage.
Sometimes our children complain at home. Do you ever take time to listen why they are complaining? You don't. So if you don't, as a parent, that's what we are telling our parents, then you are creating room for teenage what? Pregnancy.
With the platforms we have, we need to have a sectoral approach to ensure that we address all these challenges.
Ekuro entindi njarwegwa uchasonde bwensi oratoke na mamocho yokunereria abana kinyaruka obwene bwabo unamba chikoirerwa egetambukero egetindi.
But this time around, we want to have even those fellows who are doing this, we need to expose them. Sindio? Hata kama ni county commissioner ameenda kusumbua mtoto ya shule. Kama ile chief nilisikia ya huko Kisii, sindio? Sikuna chief ameshikwa. Sindio? Even here, there's a chief who is in jail. For the you are refungwa 20 years, sindio? Kwa sababu ya kulala na mtoto ya shule, sindio? This thing they also happen, they are being committed by some of the managers.
Kurwase County Nyamira, ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbia mono sana umulikeito Job Maangi asogotwaliganiria oroboti oru asenchera iyo wekera nukwendo mwanchi muri agotigana nayo na gusuka mutu asoroboti ronde nigongo kumanyuna nenchera Eyemo yo kulinda ogonchireria kwelire abakenya nigo babuligwe kogendera gusimika emete okwana omurugi bo murai wense Ruto ase abakagosyoria omurobiri bo gusimika emete asensemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet niga bagakweneke buna serikali nigere tayari gusira abakenya asogoikerania omurobiri yo.
It is an honor to launch this partnership between the Nature Conservancy and Mama Doing Good to collaborate in the planting of 1 million trees along the watershed so as to conserve our environment. To deliver this initiative, we have also collaborated and partnered with various stakeholders such as the Ministry of Environment, Forestry, the International Fund for Agriculture and Development, that is IFAD, elders, and the local communities. I am glad to be part of the 1 million tree campaign under the Eldoret Iten Water Fund, which I'm informed targets to plant 1 million trees within various river watersheds, as well as the donation of fruit tree seedlings to farmers. The trees planted and grown from this campaign will protect our critical water towers. We believe that this collaboration is the key to addressing some of the challenges we face as people, communities, and as a nation. The 1 million trees partnership is a shining example of what can be achieved when organizations and communities come together with a shared purpose. This initiative will also allow us to restore our natural habitat, promote biodiversity, and ensure a healthy and a thriving ecosystem for the future generations. These efforts will help us in our fight to combat deforestation, mitigate climate change, and protect the biodiversity that enriches our lives. My role today is to appeal to the community to nurture the trees we have planted for the benefit they bring, better rainfall for food, and additional source of income.
Elgeyo Marakwet, by TNC coming here, it is the right place that you are going to actually conserve. It is a water catchment. Anywhere you walk along the islands of Elgeyo Marakwet is a water catchment.
Chingaki engana yebili echibesa agendete korobeligwa asogochikobe kwa bosi bwebunge ewike gocha nige gati ya baraikorase kaunti ya Nyamira barokanire kungusanana kubwatikana ninganeyo okwana omubunge okitutu masaba Clive Gesairo nigo ainekebuna nigo abamenyi bebunge yo babere bakumubolya koyetuguterare ekiagera nigo bagendete gochandika kolenda sensemo yo mubunge o North Mogirango Josh Moko nigo abolire ababunge koyesira unenchera Eyemo yokorosia uchumi.
Our work is not to say the government should not collect revenue. The issue is at what time and which formula are we using. Mwananchi right now can't even feed their family. They're struggling to educate their children. They are here in the village and you're busy telling them about a housing fund. They're already living at home. By you going around and saying, we are going to tax those with pay slips, and you in the village, you don't have pay slips, that's a big joke. That person with the pay slip is the one who is supporting the people in the village.
Ni lazima tuangalie na tuangazie ili tujue ni kina nani ambao wanatuambia ukweli na ni kina nani ambao wanatudanganya. Hata huyu Victor amesimama hapa anaambiwa ati kuna tax anaenda kulipa ya nyumba ya 3%. Na wale ambao wanaongea juu ya hayo maneno, some of them are our leaders. Let me tell you, na niwaambie vizuri, there is nobody ambaye anaenda kukata tax ya wale watu ambao wanafanya biashara hapa nje.
Chinga kiecho boigo ababwatani korwa sobo mobwa azimio la umoja nigo bene kiriko tuguterare ebili echibesa iyo mwako iga okwana omobunge ogunja boigore omuraibwa bake ase bunge nene opio endanyi korwa sensemo ya awendo nigo ainekibna kira chigweta niga bakenya baragendere go chandika asobuge mabora chigokonga naboigo obonchelia kwirananse.
If that bill in its current form is not withdrawn and is pushed through Parliament using unorthodox means, this country will never be the same again. Because life is going to become totally unbearable. Kenyans are overburdened now. As we speak, even putting 3 meals on the table is a problem. Therefore, there is no way we can overtax these people again, yet we as a parliament, we are saying for the just government of the people.
So let them take time once more and listen to the hustlers. These hustlers that we claim voted for them are the ones that are also planning to overburden once again. They are planning to overtax them. As a member of parliament elected by the people of Awendo to be represented at the National Assembly, I want to declare it here and now that I am going to vote no.
Abagosira obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo bagendete gutarira chinsemo nabaigo kuburia ababunge kwa okoboko engana ye bili echibesa yo mwako ega asebane kiribuna umorai wense nigabwate emirobirimia ase abakenya okwana omobunge okuria East Maisori Kichayana nigo alira gusegeta ababunge abande nabaigo kweneke buna engane yongwetere chinga kirabe kwebosi webunge waigo omunyakirogo ase komiti ye budget ye bunge nigo aeneke buna ebirengerero bya bakenya nigo birachigotegererwa.
Sisi nikiwaongoza nyinyi wakuria, mimi nasema hivi, tusiingie ile chorus ya wale ambao tayari maendeleo imewafikia. Watu wametembelewa na lami miaka yote ya uhuru, watu wamewekewa stima miaka yote ya uhuru, watu wamepewa maji miaka yote ya uhuru, watu wamepata kupata mashule mazuri. Yani wameendelea sana kutuliko sisi Wakuria. Alafu wanaongoza kwaya ya kupinga finance bill na sisi tuingie huko ndani. Hatutaingia ndani.
We are listening to the people of Kenya. We have our aspirations as leaders and the things we want to achieve. But we are also listening to the people of Kenya wakati wanatuambia tunataka hivi, hatutaki hii. Na ile imekuwa ikifanyika public participation has been a very sacrosanct process. We respect the people of Kenya. Tumekuwa tukichukua maoni na hiyo maoni najua it is to make us richer as leaders in terms of our opinions. It is to make our finance bill better.
Chingaki ebili echibesegendete koleta liberera asense ya Kenya abange nigo yeirire konganya korwase kiama gya UDA kubwatikana no kungsanana na boigo gwetana na kibirengereryo yo kabeire omokonyi bumunyakirgo ase kiama gya UDA ime county ya Kakamega chingaki chobochori nigo airusire korwa ase ekiame kyo kubwatikana no gotwara ebirengereryo maminchane bili echibesa na boigo kwenda maminchane lichikori kiama gya UDA abagosira ekiame kyo korwa ase county ya Kakamega nigo babolire omurikyo monene Cleophas Malala otwara chingwana no yokabero munyakirogo Seth Panyako ekyagera nigo barachikogarania chinga kicho bochori bo mwaka w'ikirubere 2022.
Tafuta Panyako mwelewane. Next election tunakuhitaji bwana rais. Panyako tuko kwa UDA kwa sababu ya Panyako letuweka pamoja. Hii mzozano hii atufurahishu kabisa sisi watu wa chini. Bwana rais, Panyako kama unanisikia, tafuta Panyako mwelewane. Panyako amekuwa mwana UDA. Kakamega County ametuweka pamoja. Kakamega County ni wana UDA. Kindly bwana rais, tafuta Panyako mwelewane, mweke amani. Tunakuhitaji next election. Ndio.
Wakati chama yetu ilianza UDA hapa Kakamega County, tulikuwa na kiongozi wetu Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako. Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako ndiye alikuwa kiongozi wa UDA, ndiye alifanyia UDA kazi mingi. Alifanya kazi mingi hapa Kakamega ya kutengenezea vitabu ya kufanyia registration. Yeye ndiye alikuwa anapatia candidates pesa tukizunguka tukimarket chama. Lakini imefika wakati ameongelea mambo ya finance bill, tumeona wameanza kutofautiana kidogo. Wale marafiki wa our president mpendo wetu Rais William Ruto, tunakuomba kama watu wa UDA, vile mlianza na Seth Panyako kazi, chama ikianza Kakamega, ushike Seth Panyako mkono, tuendelee kufanya kazi na Seth Panyako Kakamega. Bila Seth Panyako chama UDA itakatika. Si namna hiyo?
Mheshimiwa Cleophas Malala, wewe ndio General Secretary wa UDA. Tunajua Panyako mlikuwa naye kwa chama, yeye kama Vice Chairman wa UDA. So tungekuomba Mheshimiwa, wewe ndio General Secretary wa UDA Kenya mzima, kama mambo inaweza anza ya mgorogoro hii itakuwa mzuri. Wewe kama katibu mkuu wa chama tunakuomba, ingelikuwa mzuri, jaribu kutafuta Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako, mkae naye chini after 5 years. Najua kuna baadhi ya mambo yenye maybe mnaweza hitaji Mheshimiwa Seth Panyako kule Malava ama sub county zote 12 msaidiane kuelimika.
Magega yomo MCA Okapsoit Paul Chirchir kobe kwa biara litko ligoro ase amamocho amubwaterenti asogo salia chimashini me county ya Kericho wananigo aberiga kubwatukwa ase bond ye shilingi milioni Eyemo kolengana no munachekina ime county ya Nakuru Edward Boge ni gabaga kwenekebuna ni garwa cash bail ye chiribu chimibere asane kebuna tibako gendera kumutanga ekiagera tibabwati oboroli boisaine.
Constitution that was promulgated in 2010. The spirit was here today. We've always sung the national anthem that justice be our shield and defender. And through the spirit, justice, justice, justice has been my shield and defender. So I want to tell my people that I am so grateful. A lot continue.
They ought to investigate the historical land injustices of yesteryears, whereby thousands of Kipsigi's families had their houses burned, their livestock confiscated, and subjected to all manner of torture. It is not right that when the British multinationals are trying to leave, all they want to do is to do something akin to what they did when the slave trade or slavery ended. We know from the history that all they did was to pay the slave masters and to ignore them.
Oboroire bweli sabeso ni gobwabere bogwateka ime county ya Mombasa asa abantu babere bagusiria obugima bwabo nabo igo abande 53 bagendrete gokorerwa obulingoli okwana omugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdul Samad Nasir ni gaboli abamenyi benseme yo koba maiso chingaki abo bisabo bochenu bagendrete kobwatrana eliko enekebna abantu kurwa senseme yo ngwetanga bale aso konyora obureirobo
jaribu kuingia katika hospitali kuu ya Coast General. Coast General ideally ni a referral hospital, ni sehemu ambayo kama kuna jambo la matibabu yoyote ndo watu wanaenda pale. Na pia vile vile kuanzia tarehe 17 June hii ni orodha ambayo kwamba itaendelea hadi tarehe 27 June. Tutafanya medical camps tuliahidi katika sehemu zote za Mombasa. Tutakuwa na medical camps 30.
Umuteneneli w'abakora imirimo be serikali a service yo muraiwense Felix Koskei nigo abolire abaliki babutambe ase chiwizara akoba mustari omutu asokurwani obokurumi ase serikali okwana chinga kibabwate egeikaro asensemo ya Isiolo nigane kibina nige serikali yerobeire boikiranu ase okumulikira obokoleri nigo ondebwensi oratokikane namamuchoyo yobokurumi arabega kuimukirwa egetambukiro egetindi.
We want to see procurement adhering to the law. The law says that the prices of goods and services should be the prevailing market price. So why do you allow twice the price, 1.5 price, or something like that? Why don't you stick? Why don't you even walk across and pick an item and get to know the price? And then you turn around, after signing, you say, oh, no, it's not me. I was misled by procurement. Oh, procurement's professional opinion. Say the other one. You are the accounting officer. As I said, you are government. You are responsible for all the activities in your State Department, and everything that is done in that State Department is done on your behalf.
Bodi ye chipara ya Kenya nigerengete konyora chibilioni chimisano asogo ikirani obwaga chibwe chipara ye kilomita chiribu chimibere ase emiaka 5 erebosio. Chinga kichogosio lya emerobelio ye bodi ya Kenya Roads yo mwaka wechiribubere 2023 na boigo mwaka wechiribubere 2025 na ibere nigo muwaziri we sekta y'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen bagakwenekebuna nige serikali egendete kwerobelia asoko enekebuna chipara chonsi chabeire chindonge wekera omwaka wechiribubere 2025 na ibere.
We expect not less than 84% of the entire road network in Kenya to be either good or fair, in fair condition. These achievements will revolutionize our landscape, our business sectors.
It's important to note that what we are launching today is the baby of the board, and we are going to see to it not every word but every letter in the strategic plan is implemented.
Since its establishment, the board has fully implemented 4 strategic plans and has developed its 5th strategic plan to be implemented from this year to the year 2027. During this period, the government will deploy a whopping 512 billion towards maintenance of roads in the country, representing an increase of 26% compared to the last 5 years, which we spent 405 billion shillings.
Hasoroboti ruabene mwanchu mulire ni gotoku mulikana engana yechikanisa na barandi abo bulimo abere bakoleta obotutukanu nabo igokoreta abegenwa gusiria okwegena kwabo nabo igokotomanya nzira kibabwenderete kobwati akolende abarai nabo igo abarandia nigo besokiribena nabo igosanga ebirengereri byabo nabo igokobwatikana engana ya shakaola eyabereke gokorekana kurumutinyo gatatu goika bonoiga Muriketo Evalino Sero na irate chinga kichae chia bene nabo igogotwariganiria oroboti rokobwati mwanchu muliria gogotiga no roboti oru lakini toska ngwira nda segekege Kerubo elinde togenda gusanga na Dr. Kena Moses twara obuligeriria borobia
Tikanisa nchirichie chiekene na barandi mbarabi baraigenwe erineli borio kerokende richandite chingoro chia baigeni abanke aya magega ya mangana bereka gokorekana kurumutinyo gatatu omwako yoiga guchakere nsemo ya Shakahola Malindi county ya Kilifi asemibere y'abantu egenderete gotindo korwa magega y'umurandi Eyemo Paul Mackenzie otebekana kubangaina abegeni kwengata eriyo bagende igoro Kerubo kure boigo egatia barandia babeire bakubwatwa asinonya nabo serikali egenderete n'umuroberi obwo kubatuka bande eriyo gotanga ogosirigwa kwa baigeni nengana erete tomunso monene imeyense asebono twaganire komanya ninki abarandia nabo igo abateneri bechikanisa ao bakoirera kubwatkana nenganeye
egente kyagara mangano ya Shakahola akaba kikanisa njirija mushrooming of churches kitalinse ya Kiombe kende gyons kyako checks and balances iga mangana aba Shakahola neke manyererio nga ne sect tari kanisa neke ombe kierure imase kanisa yakende yachakira mwo kererio amangao awonjo kanana ase charisma leader wosomo rayobo kiriawo kwana na kio alpha na omega. There is no room for critical thinking.
Oko igorwa wechikanisa chinyinke ase chinde chitabwatie kerenge kiyana komono kwa ireire komenta ebikore bunebi asabantu bakuboligwa koligereria mono chikanisa chiri chibwate kerenge kiya yokorandia enjire bwenerete ase okumanya omuchakano nabo igo omugano bwasayo
chikanisa chiasoire chinyinge bantu baigore byose kibakobeka makondo bogerera abantu that is nande korukunga pollution ya environment yani amariyo bunali wenetenge eriyo kyonya nase kanisa abantu mukurandeli beka egere banyare kubono gotega yande isuko wona abantu ngebatagete kiagero yo chori ngatari gocha no chumurande no chumugerera so kumugerera na bahutigara ko basari na bakwanda kurara igobana kinto batebinga baswa ase barochinga ayakurandi nengana ya Nyasaye tarikende 9
nejikanisa chine dumaye the mainstream churches chimanyikanete chinkoro njibwate statement of faith lakini chine njire kitabwati nonye
abarandi abanke ni gobo igobarokanire kubwatuke enjiri yere mamincha bunna ebekira seringana ryo monene ekyo kere kyorokererio yokubangaina nabo igoko basiria abaigeni
kanisa ende yonse egotebia abantu gento kere mamincha ekyarobogi maneke wekurwa Nyasaye gotebunga okwagenda igoro bweng'ato okwagenda igoro endo keringa eitari erenjera tokurandia abantu nga beng'ate bakwe bagenda igoro
ndisho na ya Shakahola n'abantu beng'ate wikabakwe omoro Kristo nelifundisho lile overboard. Yani vikogenda zaidi kusema mincha ya Orthodox ama mafundisho aliyekene ya Abakristo. Na chisect endeka na chigokora chianya ko chiko brainwash abantu birengereryo nelinga sects njiriko room for critical thinking. Wego ruibaga asaba Kristo asaba fuasi babo barengereri kuchine critical banyako babo question ama fuliso gete. Igase cult to sects, there is no room for critical thinking.
Kolengana munabonekero tokoligereria kurwase ebuku ya Nyasaye aligeto monya na ase gitabu kiaye ebanchiri entagatifu ya Matayo 5:38 ng'eliso ase eliso elino ase elino bono omonto munoyo nabo konyora bwate Biblia otumeke ekebunge ekyo elisa ase eliso oteba omonto gakomocheire mokonore eliso oteba yayo omonto gakoromire naye murusi amaino buku ya Nyasaye terigoteba bo nonya naba bani ba Nyasaye igo batigeretwe omoiko omochenu bagauteru na Nyasaye omoiko omochenu norore ko bara ba interpret eBiblia kolengana muna Nyasaye begete.
Eriogo kiania okong'ainwa nigo murandi obara bwe kanisa ya Adventista akobori abantu koene kiangonyora barobo ene korwase ringana rya Nyasaye anene ase ogosoma ebuku.
Kolengana omwocho ganora subesubese. Igo ndatebeiga asaba Kristo baito once ase babita. Ekene pi bono yaikire chingaki ase historiense Eyemo awente kwerigeria na kumanya gwetera samariko. Ekiagera amariko ayarabikira ase gatigati yaito. Amarika egare akwera oka. Enchera nelinga nonye no mwana omoke. Ebikobo byo mwana omoke mbire ebo gosoma amariko na kuyaigwa. Ekiaro moiko mochenu noare korakero Eyemo ase kene gions muna yesa goteba sigitabu kia Yohana 15.
Omofadha bwe diocese ya Kisii Cathedral Father Lawrence Nyanga na bwataya asenchire Eyemo yo gotoria begeni.
Ande bintu mbiri binga chiris yani onyene kanisa egojugo ko ibintu ngana bigo korenda oyigweta urosenere go korenda oyigwa mache getugutana na rago korenda ntubwate bintu geteno na sekerisi tunga sacramentos bigo tokonya lakini rende ndirigo tebanga ichine chiris chirago konya buna tugutenge ibintu na bigoncho kabyaba kende gyonse gusingiti asego na kitwara gusabanga bantu baitombo bora kine kana baigurenga egento getekia kuni rwase igo naende mbaba sena baro gusingira batenga no tugukwera yaya oikomonto gwerusi korugabo orwakya no ruchinga gusiru kwarenge bona Nyasaye nero uigoire engakia ya ikirike totenga ingakia Nyasaye nerengia
ogosabago chia sabaranda bonsi nkoria bunatiga kero Eyemo atware kene na korende tarigosiria abaigeni ase okorigereria amagani aboka
bono togosaba abarandia kamoranje motumeke ngana ya Nyasaye asogosiria abantu ba Nyasaye abana ba Nyasaye mbatageto okwegena kolikoro okuya kubwatia amachika Nyasaye ekurate tobwate neliga some ngana ya Nyasaye oraguno moiko mochenu onjora abantu ba Nyasaye sekene nando borokerie ngana ya Nyasaye kolengana muna Nyasaye omonye nanye begete takorigichinda chaino chichore na abantu bande bagosira bosa
boigoni go baboriwe konyora maigeri abwenerete irigo chako bokoreri bwa Nyasaye asekeria buna abanke babo nigo batabwati obumanyi bonde bwensi bwokoba omurandia
abantu bali bayimukire mundu ko omaiterero mami ko wabere mu pastor ozo wabere mu bishop ozo wabere apostle asa abeto den asa somere theological college ndomanyit igama soma ya theological college na abande bayachaite na yengencho tigaba pastor bagenda theological college egere bali gure twanyor knowledge betange ku extremism
buna korengana neringana rya Nyasaye bali bakwegeria mamincha na machiko no borori wa Yesu Kristo oborabu tiboyo ime yabo
Biblia gototebia inga tuiranere amachiko tuiranere no borori wa Yesu Kristo ebire ringana ryaye no muntu onde bwensi okwegeria onye ta kwegeria kolengana na machiko onye ta kwegeria kolengana no borori bwa Yesu Kristo omuntu yuborabu osomo gasotoli mehaye
abaigeni nigo bakuboriwa gutatwara obwoba kubwatikana na yabere kago korekana kurende kogendera gusaba na kogenda chikanisa echo chire chindonke
tigo baso kuanga kogenda ekanisa asengengeri ngana ya Makenzi yote yatwerende mono kogenda ekanisa chikanisa njiro chiekene chinkoro chiao kolire centuries kurende tiatogenda gusaba nasa nagwata batigari baye
asobora yobuya no mwelekeo bw'ekikanisa ebyombe mbiro bikora obuteneneri bw'ekikanisa erogokonya ase okurongeya obukoreri nabo igo oburande bw'enjiri hanene ase ekikanisa kiri kyabere kikoba okorwa chinga kikyakare buna tokumanyiwa no bishop w'ekanisa ya ACK
ase Kenya ndubwate ebyombe bikoregire kikanisa nabo NCCK ase nda chairman kikanisa kinyako bakikosoa ase ebyombe gete egaratunyako batogo tokumanyanga oyonki akorokereria na yebi arokeria akorokereria kene gusineria obolimo
obong'ainereria nonsi ari agenderete gokorekana nekiorokererio giechinga kichiomoerio asa abaigeni baboriwe kogenderera gutenera bokong'u ase Nyasaye na onsi na nyarikane
this confusion yeroro yonsi omwocho kana omonge ojine ishara yechingaki chiomweli ogosabanga kero ya muito tobe abantu amatata bubugite
okwono koenekia korwase egatia barandi nabo igabateneneri bechikanisa asokoboria kogenderete korwewo gochiase abaige no gusaba Kristo bonsi koba maiso chinga kichonsi na gotenena na Nyasaye ngoripoteria Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.